Do you live in India, the US, Canada, or Pakistan? Well, even if you don't, you can make money on this brand new website. This website has been featured on Forbes and it has paid out six figures to people. One of the great things about it is that you can get paid a lot of different ways, like through Payoneer, PayPal, bank transfer, and so many other ways. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone. Are you a student looking for a little money on the side, or a stay-at-home mom that wants to earn a little sum for herself? Well, this is a platform for you. You can do this from wherever you are, whenever you want. All you need is some internet and a device to connect to the internet, and you're as good as gold. Stay with me until the very end of this video and find out exactly how to get started.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Now let's get into it, shall we? Before I bring you over to the website, it's probably a good idea to set up a PayPal account so that you can get paid. I mean, we all want to get paid, right? To do that, just scooch your booch over to paypal.com. That's P-A-Y-P-A-L. If you've watched any of my other videos before, then you probably already know that. So to set up an account, you're just going to click on this button right here, and you should see a page like this where they're just going to ask you for some personal information. And now that you're done with that, you can be able to access your PayPal account. Not a fan of PayPal? Well, you can also try opening up an online bank account to be able to receive your money. Do you know how to do it? No? Well, all you need to do is go over to Google and search for online bank account in my country. Signing up for both PayPal or an online bank account are 100% free, so you don't need to worry about having to shell out any of your own money because you won't need to do that. So you can thank me later. Anyways, make sure to stay with me until the very end of the video to find out how you can get started on this new money-making site that I have for you. If you get lost, you can always rewatch the parts of the video that you didn't understand, and I'm going to break everything down for you, so this video is going to be really useful and worth the watch. If you follow my guide, you could be making this much money. I told you it'd be worth it, and as you can see, there's a lot of money that you can make on here. This is a pretty new website and not that many people know about it yet, so you're going to want to keep listening. You can see right here that this platform has been featured on Forbes, so you know that it's legit. Signing up for this site can get a little tricky though, so you're going to want to pay very close attention and stay with me until the very end. There's actually a wrong way to sign up on this site, and if you don't do it the way that I show you, you could miss out on earning money and not getting anything at all. So this website that we're going to be using today is called Studypoolcom. So study like going over your notes study, and pool as in like swimming pool. Got it? Good. So this is what the website looks like. And as you can see right here, a lot of people visit and use this website every single day. Most of the people that use this platform come from the US, with over 40% of its users being American. So now you may be wondering how this website actually works. Well, it's basically a place where people come to learn. So people come here and pay to learn new skills or about certain subjects. There are a lot of different categories of lessons like math, business writing, science, and so on. If you want to learn more about it, you can just check out the website and read it all for yourself. Now, you may be wondering if you're going to be studying anything, and you won't need to. You also won't need to pay for anything, so don't worry about that. We're on here so that you can make money. Do not fret, because instead of spending money on here, you're going to be earning money, my friend. Now, step numero uno to making money here on Studypool is going to be to click right here to become a tutor. You're going to need to become a tutor to start earning money. That may sound a bit overwhelming, especially if you don't have any teaching experience or anything like that, but once again, do not fret, because I'm going to walk you through it and you'll be on your way to earning a lot of money. It really isn't that hard. Plus, it pays really well. They're willing to pay you this much every single month, and you get to work from home. If you don't see that as a win, then you must have a really sad life. Anyways, you could do this from anywhere, anytime. Want to go on a tour of Southeast Asia while still earning to be able to finance your trip? Well, with Studypool, you can do that. You just need a device that connects to the internet, and some internet, of course. This site has over 50,000 tutors from all over the world. That being said, this is a reliable income stream for a lot of people, and most people receive many payments over a long period of time, and the opportunities are endless. Some people have made thousands of dollars this way, and you could too. Signing up as a tutor is absolutely free, so it's worth a shot. On the site, you can check out reviews, and you can see that a lot of people from pretty much anywhere have been using this platform.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
So you can pretty much pick topics that you have knowledge in or are experienced in, and you can make money to tutor other people on those topics. To get started doing that, you're going to need to set up an account here on Studypoolcom. To do that, just click right here to get started. So right here, you're going to want to give them your email address. Next, they're asking you to create a username, create a password, then you just smash this button right here. If you don't want to put all of that information in and you're lazy like me, you have the option to sign up with other accounts like Facebook, Google, or your LinkedIn account. Once you've gotten through that phase of the application phase, it's going to bring you over to another page where they ask for more of your information. This page takes less than 30 minutes to finish, and if you can't do it in one sitting, it'll save and then you can come back to it. This part of the process really isn't that hard to do, and once you're done, congratulations, you are on your way to making money. So there are a lot of different ways that you can set up to get paid. You can get paid through PayPal, checks, Western Union, Payoneer, TransferWise, and a lot of other ways. Now you need to head over and start this application, and with this part they want to know a bit about you, like where you're from, your name, etc. You don't have to worry about the country because, as you can see, they cater to a long list of countries, so chances are they cater to yours. You can just keep going and fill out more of the personal information that they ask for, and as I said, this is a really easy application process and it should take less than 30 minutes. Once you submit, you should hear back from Studypool within 1 to 3 business days. Once you get approved, you can start tutoring and earning money. Now, if you aren't confident that you can tutor anyone in topics that the site lists, good luck, bud. You're on your own. Just kidding. You can find a subject that you're interested in and then study more about it on Google or on YouTube so that you can feel confident tutoring someone else on the subject. I swear that it's worth a little bit of effort that you put into studying because the amount that you can earn on here is really big. You can make thousands of dollars on this platform. Another place where you can learn more about subjects is on Udemy.com. On this platform, you can find a ton of different courses, and you're bound to find one related to a subject on Studypool. So you can actually start learning on Udemy for free so that you can be qualified to tutor on Studypool. All you need to do is head over to the search bar, type in whatever subject Studypool offers that you're interested in tutoring, and then find courses that you can take. These are courses that you can take on here for free, and some of these courses even give you a certificate for completing them so that you have proof that you have knowledge on whatever subject you want to tutor. This helps you show Studypool that you really are qualified to tutor with them. So tutoring with Studypool isn't going to cost you any money out of your own pocket, but they do take a 20% service fee from whatever you make tutoring. No worries though, because this is just a little cut, and with their platform, you're going to find lots of students that are willing to pay for your tutoring. Plus, this opportunity is great because it's super flexible as my 5-year-old that can do the splits. And it's a really great platform to use because you can make your own schedule and you don't need to report to a boss or anything. Now, you might be wondering what mistake I was referring to earlier that a lot of people make, and that mistake is waiting too long to get signed up. The more saturated the site becomes, you'll have more tutors competing for money that you could be earning. And if I were you, I'd get started as soon as possible just so that you can max out on your earnings. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I hope you learned something new.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.